Good evening. Welcome into StoveTop-Garage. Tonight we're going to be making some banana bread. And we start over here on our left with the buttermilk. And we got the vanilla. We got the salt. In the back we have the bananas, the eggs, the crushed walnuts, baking soda, sugar, and the flour that we're going to be dropping into the cast iron pans and throwing into the oven for an hour at 350 degrees. Let's get started mixing this. I always start with my dry ingredients. So we're gonna toss the baking soda and the salt and the sugar all in one. And we'll give that a quick whisk to combine everything together. Now that we've got that mixed, we're going to set that aside and we're going to go to our wet ingredients, which one of them I didn't have sitting out because it was still melting, is the butter. We cannot forget our butter in our bread. But first off, we have to take care of these bananas. They're not quite in the condition they need to be for banana bread. They seem to be a little bit stiff. They need to loosen up a little bit. And I believe that is the kind of attitude adjustment those bananas needed. Now our eggs. Our butter. Our buttermilk. And our vanilla. And that is our wet ingredients. Okay. Dry, eat wet. There we go. Well, I'm wearing a little bit of that. So everybody seems to think that you need overripe bananas. Well, when bananas are too stiff, we just use our little, oh, what do you call that? Little blender. And mix it up right on up, softens them up. They get in there where they need to be and they do their job perfectly. So this is just about ready to go in our lightly greased bread pans. Oh, wait. Almost forgot the nuts. I don't know. Some people like nuts, some people don't. But every once in a while, you just gotta say, yeah, throw those in there. Give a little texture. Now let's see if we can get half and half. Half in this one and half in that one. Well, that's not a very good camera angle, are we? Let's try it a little bit differently then. Let's see about that. Is that even? It's pretty close. A little sloppy, but it's even. It's pretty even. Ooh, tasty. Off to the oven. 350 degrees for an hour. There we go, fresh out of the oven. That one came right out of the pan. So quick, so easy. Pan's pretty hot. Just like that, banana bread. Hour and 5 minutes in the oven. And here we go. We have our banana bread, getting ready to cut it here for you so we can see what the inside looks like. See the steam route? Yeah. That's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, that's perfect. Perfectly hot. Oh yeah. I'll put the recipe in the description below. But I am going to have to say goodnight and go cook dinner. So anyway, I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this latest episode, and I hope you come back to see us again. Thank you from StoveTop-Garage. You guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you, and good night.